hybrid image thresholding technique based on local and global parameters applied to ancient and document analysis, preserving our cultural heritage, especially for all documents and historical documents, since the early attempts at digitizing documents, it has always contributed to the support of these impacts. Enormous efforts have been invested in cultural heritage digitization programs, mainly through maps, historical documents, and manuscripts. The major challenge in the evolution of digitization technique have always been the quality of the document, which is degraded by the presence of certain phenomena such as discolored paper, ink expansion, uneven color shade, torn paper, and other disturbances such as existence of small spots and other. The first categories of adaptive minimization method. NIBLACK proposed a method which calculates a threshold surface by gliding a rectangular window over the image and calculating statistics on this window. Problems are light textures in the background, which are considered as text with small contrast. To overcome these problems, SAUVOLA proposed a new improved formula to calculate the threshold. The third method is integral sum image method. The integral sum image method has been integrated in the field of image processing by Viola and Jones. For an input image I, its integral sum image G is calculated in each pixel from the sum of the value of the gray above and to the left of the considered pixel. Another family of adaptive minimization is called hybrid adaptive minimization method. Especially, we discuss Bataineh's method. Bataineh proposed a new method using the mean, the standard deviation, and other factors. This hybridization has overcome the weakness of adaptive methods described in the previous chapter. To develop the thresholding formula, Bataineh have used the following expression. At the end, the threshold calculation proposed by Bataineh is as follows. Our approach. The idea of our method is to vary the threshold over the image based on the local mean, local standard deviation, global mean, and global standard deviation. By expliciting the variation, we consider two terms and we obtain our formula. The results are illustrated in the following graph, which shown the line 90 and 210 of an image with 250 pixels. In the graph 2, the term A average value coincides with the original pixel values. The term B evolves proportionally with the original values, and at last, the term C fulfills a compensatory role of the accumulation effect for the term A and B. We used F-measure to compare the performance of a minimization algorithm. Experimental results and discussion. The proposed minimization algorithm was tested with the benchmarking using a set of handwritten and printed images issued from TIBCO 2009. Detailed performance of F-measure for the predefined defined set of images are presented in table. The proposed method has shown good performance in all types of images, is particularly effective at removing blotches and smudges in the image, yet still maintaining the handwriting and printed details. In conclusion, the proposed method was even able to detect low contrast character when other methods appeared to be inefficient. Furthermore, thanks to the consideration of local and global spatial context, we obtain lower noise within the background and with the text region. Thank you.